I have been waiting for this day. Seedance 2.0 is now in early access on Pippit.
AI video just crossed a line. The AI look is officially dead. This is Dreamina Seedance 2.0, and the realism is actually terrifying. Pippit now offers a free trial. Sign up via the link in my bio and get new credits every day. And today, I'm not here to casually test it. I'm here to pressure it, to push it, to run it through cinematic stress conditions. Because if this model is really what people are claiming, it shouldn't just generate pretty clips. It should survive professional-level filmmaking scenarios. So I structured this entire evaluation around 3 performance tests. 1. Visual realism under detail load. 2. Motion and physics integrity. 3. Native cinematic camera intelligence. If Seedance holds under all 3, then we're not looking at evolution, we're looking at acceleration. I'll be running every test inside Pippit's interface, live, real-time. No pre-rendered demos, no selective exports, just raw generation. Let's begin. All right, here's the exact prompt I'm using for first test. Visual realism under detail load. For this test, I'm attacking environmental complexity. I'm talking about explosions, debris physics, crowd density, lighting shifts, emotional close-ups, all layered inside one cinematic sequence. Now I'm inside the Pippit interface, selecting Dreamina Seedance 2.0, aspect ratio 16:9, video length 15 seconds, and generate. Now watch this carefully. Look at the explosion detail. The smoke density is volumetric. The debris isn't just flying randomly, it's layered. Lighting shifts dynamically as the blast expands. And look at the micro detail in the close-up, the facial tension, the shockwave timing. Even the slow motion moment holds physical consistency. This isn't simplification. Seedance isn't reducing complexity, it's stabilizing it. That's a very big difference. Now our second test is about motion and physics integrity. Here's the exact prompt I'm using for the second test. This time I'm testing elite motion under combat stress. Fast rotations, momentum shifts, cloth simulation, acrobatics, impact timing, and most importantly, fast to slow to fast transitions. Same platform, same settings, different scenario. Generate. Now look closely. The rotation speed has weight. The cloak reacts to air resistance properly. Impact frames feel grounded. There's no rubbery floating, no elastic body distortion. Even falling debris respects gravity timing. And watch the pacing. It accelerates, drops into slow motion, then snaps back into speed. And it doesn't break. That's motion integrity under stress. Most models collapse right here. Seedance doesn't. Now this is where it gets interesting. Because visuals and physics are one thing, but camera intelligence? That's another level. For this test, I'm pushing impossible movement, ultra-wide start, rocket zoom forward, tight parallax threading, 360-degree arc rotation, all inside one 15-second sequence. Now watch the choreography. This isn't random camera motion, it's structured. The parallax holds depth. The focus transitions stay stable. Motion blur is speed consistent. Seedance understands spatial continuity. And what makes this even more interesting? I generated every one of these inside Pippit AI. Same interface, same workflow. No external tools. No complicated setup. Dreamina Seedance 2.0 is now in early access on Pippit. Enjoy free trial now. I've linked it below if you want to test it yourself. So here's the real takeaway. Dreamina Seedance 2.0 isn't just improving visuals, it's stabilizing complexity. And when AI starts stabilizing complexity, that's when industries shift. The question isn't whether this model works. The question is, what are you going to build with it?